and it plays off well because his dad is Jason Bateman. But if you excuse me,
God bless you. Bro, God bless you.
You know why they say that?
I've heard some things.
What have you heard?
It's not a fact, but some people thought that your heart stopped, so they would like to bless you.
And I heard that back in the days of the Depression, when people were getting sick and dying, that when you were sneezing, the bad spirits were trying to get in through your nose. And so they'd say, bless you to kill the spirits.
It's wild.
But now we know it's just science. There's things that are tickling the receptors in the back of your nose, throat, and ear holes.